my neighbor said, hey man, I got a bunch of scrap metal. I just loaded it up on my trailer because I was going to bring it to the junk. He said, you want it? He said, my wife told me you collect scrap metal. I said, yeah, I collect scrap metal. I drive by your house every day, Tyrone. Come on, man. Good friend of mine. Actually, I've known him for years and years and years and years. I guess he's going to bring it down to my house. That gate don't go down, Tyrone? I mean, if I open my door, if I opened up my doors and put that gate down right onto my trailer, I'll move this stuff forward, and then we can just walk it right on.
Man, that one looks in good condition.
I know, it is in good condition. Nothing wrong with it at all.
You ain't gonna save it?
No. You want it?
Man, it looks better than the ones I've been trying to put together and make a good one.
I don't think there's anything wrong with it, buddy. If you want it, we'll take it right off of your...
I'll take it, man.
Bring it to your house. Well, let me pull up some. Open my doors up.
All right.
We can walk that stuff right in my trailer.
All right.
I'll open my doors, take that out, and I'll back right under it. Yeah, wait. Might as well hold it up there for a minute.
Oh, okay.
Keep it up, because I'm going to back up, and you're going to put it in my trailer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, I'll take that grill.
Yes, sir.
I'll throw them other ones I'm trying to put together.
I just picked this up in St. James.
Well,
looks good.
what happens is
I got the bottom plate to it too.
all these
this
people,
goes in the bottom underneath.
That Keith takes care of their yards and stuff.
Yep, let it go down there. Down. There you go. Everything's in it.
Yes.
And this is the bottom. This goes underneath. This is the tray. This is the tray for the grease thing underneath.
Yeah, there's one just like this that I'm trying to.
Yeah, see, this goes under.
Together?
This is what belongs under there.
Yeah.
See what's wrong with it?
Yeah, he when their husbands die or their wives die,
Yeah.
they go through their garages and throw away all kinds of stuff.
Got to go. So let me move this out of the way.
Yeah, just
Put it across the street.
Yeah, that's.
No. I went and looked at a roof.
Oh, you did? You still gonna try and do that kind of work?
I still do. We just got back from Jacksonville. We did a mobile home rubber roof up there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I
I've
don't do
watched your
shingle.
videos on your mobile home.
That's what I do. We just got back from Jacksonville from doing one of them. So I'm gonna back up to where that gate would just fit in my trailer. Yeah, he just, uh-oh. No, you don't want to be hung up like that.
Yeah,
pick it up. Yeah.
I got it. It ain't that heavy.
Yeah.
That one there's a little heavy.
Sir. Goodness. Almost 60, huh? How old are you? 58?
Getting ready to be 59.
59 years old. Tyrone, 59. Oh. You know, I met your daddy. I was only 15 years old.
Really?
Yeah, I was 15 when I met your daddy.
Probably doggone.
Known your daddy for forever and ever. My dad. How long? Wait a minute. How long do you know my dad? That's how long I knew him.
Man, I met your dad. I was probably 15.
There you go. Well, that's when I knew you. That's how long I known your parents.
And I met your dad through Holly when her and Guy moved down here, I guess.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And Guy was building houses.
Yes, sir. That's right. That's right. Ain't that something?
Me, my daddy.
Gosh, time flies.
And Ralph Tackett or Marshall.
Oh yeah. You know, me and your brother boxed on Oak Island in that Tough Man contest.
Oh yeah, Andy told me about
Yeah. Yeah, me and your brother. We
that was when Billy Smart owned the club or
yes. No.
running the club or something.
Was it Smart? Was it Smart? I thought it was I thought it was that real hippie dude.
Whoever
Tyler. Tyler. I thought his name was Tyler.
Might have been, man.
Yeah, I thought it was Tyler. It might not have been, but anyway, yeah. Yeah, me and your brother fought in the Tough Man contest. I was in my late 20s.
Well, you're a better man than me, because I wasn't getting involved in that stuff.
Me and your brother went two solid rounds, buddy.
Hey, I watched him do it.
There was some blood at the end too, son.
Crazy people, man.
Yes, sir.
That's where y'all drinking too?
Of course.
Oh, Lord.
Of course, we were at a bar.
Oh, man.
It was a bar room Tough Man contest. I had a ring set up in a bar. Of course, we were drinking. Oh my word. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you know, we boxed. It's amateur. Tough Man is only like 2 rounds, you know. So,
Right.
you know, we boxed 2 rounds. He won actually. He won the overall Tough Man contest that night. Yes, he did.
Huh.
Yeah, he fought Petey Swain. You know Petey, old black boy from Southport.
Yeah.
Little cocky little boy. But yeah, he fought Petey Swain to win.
I remember.
Sure did. Yep. That was the nights, boy. Them was the days, buddy. Ooh, man.
Dude.
Them were the days. I don't want to go back there. I'll tell you that.
I couldn't handle it.
Yeah, man. When I lived in Maine, I was kickboxing for years.
Really? Now that was good physical fitness.
Absolutely. My kickboxing instructor was Dave Marquis, and he was the Maine state champion several years in a row, and he was my trainer.
I saw your sister. What was it, Saturday?
Holly?
No, your other sister
Hilda.
from Maine.
Oh, Andrea. You got
Yeah.
to see Andrea?
Yeah.
No kidding.
She come by.
No kidding. That is so awesome. I did not get to see her. I was out of town.
She came by Jean's.
Yeah.
Cause I've been doing painting Jean's home.
Oh, nice, nice.
And I met her and her daughter, I guess. Big.
Yeah, that's Misty. She has a YouTube channel too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She sells clothing and, you know, used items.
Oh.
And she does it on YouTube. Misty calls it Misty's Treasures. Yeah, Misty's Treasures. Name of her channel. Yep.
I don't think there's any more metal, partner.
I think you're done.
Yeah,
I think you're done, buddy. I
Rest
like
of
it.
that-
Well, that was made quick work of that, brother. Made quick work.
If you want, I'll roll them grills. Throw them grills on there too.
Grills?
Yeah, them.
Yeah.
Cause trying to combine.
I take grills.
I was trying to combine 3 of them to make a good one like
No.
that.
Turn it on, see what's wrong with it. They gave it to me. They didn't say it was broken or it wasn't broken. But when I picked it up, it looked new.
It looks
And there was a
good to
brand
me.
new one sitting over in the corner.
It looks
covered
good
up.
to me, man. If
Okay,
only things
so-
wrong with it might be burners.
Check it out. It's
or
yours.
hoses.
And let me know and I'll come get them another time. I'm ready to go home.
Okay.
Oh, that's my sister.
Oh yeah.
That's Susan. Hey, sister. You caught me on the road, didn't you?
Huh?
Caught me on the road.
I did.
I'm just finished.
Okay.
I'm getting ready to pull out of here.
All right.
Love you. See you at the house.
Love you.
I'll see you at the house.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's our oldest sister, Susan.
Yeah. I've met her before.
Okay.
I think I've met all your sisters and stuff, man.
Yeah, apparently you have. If you know Andrea, you met them all. Because Hilda has 4 sisters and me.
Yeah. Through the years.
Let's get them things another day. I'll meet my sister down there. She
Hey,
wants to.
Don't sweat it, man.
And bring that thing and let me know if it works for you.
Oh yeah, you know I am.
If it don't, I'll pick it up, you know, or whatever. I'll pick up them when you're finished with them. You know what I'm saying?
What's the easiest for me? Want me like set them side the road?
No, just leave them up there. I'll just pick them. I'll just pull the side of the road and come right down your stairs with them.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? The
Yeah.
top of the stairs right there when you're done with them.
Yeah.
And if they're at the top of the stairs, I'll pick them up.
Okay, dude.
Let me pull up a little bit so I can close my doors.
Yeah, if you want to, stay in the truck. I'll get them for you.
What?
Your doors.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Tyrone.